Welcome to the Google Docs training video on add-ons. This video will take a direct look at add-ons within Google Docs. If you're not familiar with add-ons, it's a relatively new feature within Docs and slides, sheets, and forms. But we're going to click on add-ons here, and notice I don't have any add-ons, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Get Add-ons. Now, add-ons are basically scripts, code that kind of runs different tasks that may or may not be helpful for you. Hopefully they are helpful, otherwise you may not, you wouldn't be using them. So if I click on add-ons and give me a list here, you can search add-ons. So if you knew a topic that you want to look for, you can type that in there. You can also just scroll down. Not all of them show up right away, so you actually may have to type in something, but EasyBib is another one that's really neat. If you've used it before to help keep track of your resources, it's one that students can find very helpful. Table of contents, have not used it since they've added table of contents as part of the insert within the insert thing. There's a thesaurus if you want to use thesaurus. Create different charts. There's a GMath. This one again won't be used a whole lot now that you've created. You can insert equations, but this also can insert graphs. You've got different tools. There's a music toolbar. I haven't actually used some of these, so I'm not going to open up every one of them. Speech recognition is used by quite a few. So if you've got a student that needs assistance in inserting documents or inserting words within a document, you can use this. I'm going to use this one. You can just kind of show you what it looks like. You see that a tab will open up on the right-hand side. You can speak now. You can translate things into different languages and go from there, so it's pretty neat. All of them come with a preview, also kind of some information about what other people think about it. Tells you how much they cost. Most of them are free. You can also share it with other folks as well. So add-ons are very helpful. If you get to find the one that works well for you. Some work a lot better than others. Obviously, keep track of the stars, and if you really like one in particular, you can go ahead and click on a star as well. Once I get one, let's go ahead and just do that one here. Click on this, I'm going to click on the free button. It's going to tell you what it wants access to. View and manage your documents in Google Drive, basically because I'm giving it access to that so that it can insert items within my documents, view and manage data associated with the application. So I'm going to give it access to information about my documents. So some of them really want a lot of access to stuff, so you have to really be careful about what you give it access to. And there's only been a few where I'm like, well, maybe I don't want to use this because it wants a little too much information. Go ahead and click on accept. And so I have to wait a second for it to add. You notice this says waiting on script because it is a particular script. If I go back to my add-ons, still waiting. There it goes. And there's my speech recognition. And so it shows up there. As I get more of them, and there it goes. I was waiting for that too. Manage add-ons shows up, and I can click on that. And it'll give me a list of all my add-ons. And I can manage it. Let's say I want to remove it, report an issue, or if I need help with it, I can do all of that within the Manage Add-on section. Now that I have it, I'm going to click on that and say Start. And so then there's that menu that shows up on the right-hand side and will allow me to actually use speech recognition. So again, search for some that you may find helpful and see if there are any. I imagine that there are a couple. And that's a quick look at Google add-ons for Docs.